All right. Let's get into this video. But before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you for coming to watch my video. All right, so we got that out the way. I appreciate you. We're gonna make worksheets. Get right into it, okay? Now, at this point in 2026, you should have a Canva account, whether it's the pro or the free. Don't worry about this up here. I'm gonna pay it later. But we're not here for that. We're here for you to learn how to do a worksheet. Not just any worksheet. We're gonna take nothing and turn it into something, okay? And we're not gonna just make one regular worksheet, okay? I'm a homeschooling mom and I have plenty of books that I have purchased and I have not finished or whatever the case may be. And so I decided since I am self-taught as a graphic designer over a decade, I can make my own stuff for my own crew. Okay. So what we're going to do is going to go to custom size. Okay. 8.5 by 11 inches. That's all we doing. If you're going to print it, great. If you want to use it for your devices, such as your iPads and your Android devices, that's perfectly fine too. I'm using it for both reasons. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get started. This is what I already have. Okay. So all I'm going to do, I may show you something different. I may show you something you already know. I don't know, but we're just going to give it a shot. All right. So Control D, if you're on a MacBook, it's going to be Command D. Yes, D for duplicate. Command D, and I'm on Windows, so Control D is it. It is. All right. So what we're gonna do, like I said, I might show you something new. Might show you something you already know. I don't know. I'm using the Pro version. I recommend Pro because it gives you access to elements that you may not be able to use. And once I get through creating this will be something that can be used and other people can't go in and mess with and change nothing. So I don't have a problem with flattening and all that kind of good stuff. But okay, now that we got that out the way, use ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, Gemini, whomever, whatever AI bot you want to use. Use it, ask for it or prompt inside of it that you are working on a worksheet or a workbook. Give me the outline. This is the age group I'm working in, or this is the grade level I am working on. Be detailed and ask for it to assist you in it. And that's how you would get the information that you need. Ask for the directions to let it know you're not a copywriter. If you are a copywriter, then okay, cool. So that's how I got where I am today. All right. At least with this here. So we're going to take this here. I already have this element. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to info. Then I'm going to go to see more like this. All right. Now, with your elements, make sure you find someone that is consistent, someone that has everything that you need, because you will run into creators on here that will give you AI slop, or either they will give you a couple of elements and then it won't match. And that is, at least for me, that is something that just drives me crazy. So this is someone I've been using across all my workbooks that I've been in the process of creating for my crew. Okay, so we are on F. All right, we're about to get off of F. All right, I'm going to go here. I'm going to click that one. Now, this brand, I built this brand out. So this is my brand that I created. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to the back. I'm going to get this one out of here because I don't need it. I'm going to use the branding I have for this one right here. Mama, close the door. Close the door, baby. So yeah, this is what we're going with. All right, bada boom, bada bang. We got what we need. All right, pretty simple. Now we're going to we're going to click on the element. All right, hit back. And if you need to get where I just got, let me go back there. Hey, baby, stop. Letter tracing. That's all you got to type in. All right, type that in and boom, there you go. You got exactly what I just had. All right, because I didn't say that. So I guess we're going to look for, I don't know. Do I want to use yeah, we'll just go with grape. Just going to go with that. All right. Grape outline. Now I have this one already. So let me go and find the element right quick. Let me see where I have it at. And it's not there. Let's try it here. Oh, is it here? Yep, it's there. All right. So Command C to copy. And I'm going to go back to the page I am working on. Let me see. I may just want to change out that letter. Okay, maybe I can do. I think I'm just going with a little theme. So let's go with goose outline instead. I'm gonna keep that G. All right. So let's go to see all. We're just gonna. Well, that's AI. Now, this is how you can tell that it's AI because I also do vector illustrations, work and Procreate, and all that kind of stuff. And this is how you know this is AI here because these lines are not straight; they're just wonky looking. So, if you don't mind that, then cool. If you do mind it, don't pick that one. All right, just find one that looks more like it is hand drawn, possibly in Procreate, like this one here. That's close. That's pretty close. I may just go with that one just to save time. Again, AI. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking at AI. So we're just gonna go with this one here. I don't really like that one too much, but I don't want to spend too much time in this space because we got other things to do. So we're just gonna get this guy out of here. We're gonna put her there. All right, make sure she's in the middle. Okay, just go in and change this here. Boom, we done. We done with this page. We done with this page. We're going to the next one. Okay. All right. So now I am going to go and just change out certain things here. As you see. All right. All right. Let's just change this out really quick because I don't have a lot of time, but I'm gonna make time. Okay, so now we're gonna go here. I am gonna change all that out too. Same thing. Click on the three dots, hit info, see more like this. That's it. All right, that's it. That's all. Go and get what you need. All right, I'm gonna change it to the color that I needed to change to, and I'm going to double click it and slide it over just like that right there. All right, now I'm going to size it up to the size it down, shrink it down, whatever, get it close. And I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, I'm gonna get this out of here. And I'm just gonna try to get it in the middle as close as I can. That works for me. Okay, so we're gonna get those guys out of there. And you can just hit the duplicate button. All right, boom, we got it. Control D again. All right, I'm gonna grab both of these and we're gonna make sure they are centered because the alignment is what I need it to be. All right, it's kind of close. All right, we good. I'm not gonna do the middle because the G is pretty big. Now we're gonna go in here and change this. I am going to keep the grape. I'm gonna toss out the little fish. We're gonna keep that there. I think I'm going for about 2 elements for the babies to circle and all that kind of stuff. Let me go back and check on my other page right quick. F, yeah. Okay, yeah. So we're doing just 2. So let's go back. Okay. So I'm gonna keep the grapes. Let's go and see what else I got because I have another workbook I got going on. All right, I'm gonna go with gift outline, and if you want to, I'm just gonna grab this one right quick. Because this one looks like that the line weight. Now, one of the things that kind of drives me crazy as well is the line weight. I don't want to have to go in and just mess with the line weight so much. I don't want to have to go vectorize it. That's what I'm saying. So I'm just going to grab this guy, grab this one here. We're going to hit Control C, and we're going to go back on down. Back down to that page we was on. We're going to get you and get you out of there. Control V, put you right there. We're good to go. All right. I am going to change out whatever I need to change out in a different page. Okay. So we're gonna I'm gonna toss this one, put you up here. And I'm going to go back and get some other elements because I don't want to spend a long time. Not too long of a time. Control C. And then we'll go on back down. And drop them right up in here. All right, we're good to go there. I'm just going to get the bird out of the way. All right, so now we are on have G already. All right. I don't even know why I put ghost outline because the ghost is black and white anyway. So okay, we're just gonna go with that. But we're gonna pick this one. Looks like someone might have went on and did what they need to do with this one. All right, so I'm going to I need to take this one and put it somewhere else. We're gonna put it here. Oh, I actually already have 3 right there. So we're gonna hit Control Z to go back. All right, we're gonna get these flippers out of there, get the flips out of the way. I'm going to put you here. We're gonna take you down there. And so I need, let's see, one more G. I guess we'll go with grasshopper. Okay, so all right, that's what we got. Let's see what we find. These cute, but I don't know. Well, let's see. Line weight is too thin for me. I wish it was a little thicker. So let's see if I can find one really quick. Okay. Hold on, baby. I'll let you get a donut in a little while. Just hold tight, okay? Let's see. What we're gonna toss out the Frenchies. All right, and I'm gonna also move these around. We'll put you right here. I think it was already there. It don't matter. It's fine though. Anyway, we're gonna grab these guys here. We're gonna tidy them up, and I think they're fine the way they are, just like that. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna squish them in or whatever. All three, all four. Tidy up. We're good to go. All right. So let's double check, make sure everything looks good. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Next page. So we're gonna go grab this one, hit Control C because we want to copy it and take it over to the next page. Control V. We're gonna put it here. Yep. I'm gonna size her down. Close enough. Close enough. Now we're gonna duplicate it. All right, move it over. And then Control D once, twice, and again. All right, now this one here, we're gonna toss this here out. We don't need it anymore. I'm gonna grab it, make sure it's tightened up. Everything looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna duplicate this again. And now I have to go in and bring this over, double click it, and do what you need to do with that. I'm gonna bring this one here. All right, that's pretty good there. I'm gonna duplicate it. Hold on, baby girl. Hold on. Hold on. You got to get off mommy's arm, baby. All right. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. All right. Position. All right. They're good to go. Okay. And then we're going to hit Control D and put it back over there. Yeah. And then Control D and D again. And we're going to get that out of there. And then I'm just going to grab these and make sure they are looking pretty good. Tidy them. Yeah. All right, now I'm going to group them. Now I'm going to grab these up here and do the same thing, group them. Now I'm going to grab them down here and get them out of there because I do not need them. And I'm going to use Shift and Alt. Shift and Alt on the windows. Okay, drag it down. If you're on a MacBook, it's Shift, not Shift and Option. Okay, so looks pretty good to me. I'm just going to double check. Do I want to tidy? Let's see. Nope, I don't want to tidy because it usually messes up. Okay, nope, I don't want it to be like. So it's fine like this. It's fine like this. We're gonna leave it alone. We're gonna leave it alone. So all of this is the same. Everything looks pretty good. We're gonna leave it like that. How many minutes am I in? 12. Okay, so we're good. 12 minutes in. So now all I want to do here is just change what I need again. All right. So we're going to turn it to the G. Now, all I did here, this is my typeface that I'm using. I'm using Quicksand. All right. All I did was just type in some letters, and I'm just going to change out the ones that I need to. So we're on the letter G. Okay, boom. That's all we're doing. We're not making this complicated. It's supposed to be simple. All right. And anything else that I need to change, I will change. And you can do the same. Okay. All right. Double click this side, and that's going to fix that. All right. So now, let's take this one. I'm going to make it a little guy. All right. And we're going to do the same here. I don't have anywhere. I try not to think about, pattern. I try not to focus so much on things being in the same spot. If I do notice it, I will change it. So that it won't look like the previous page. Like this page won't look like this page here. So 30 won't look like page 26. So sometimes it does happen. Hold on, baby. But not often. So let's see. All right. So we're gonna put a big one here. Double click. All right. Now we're just gonna change this one to a small one. And that's it. That's it. That's what we got. That's what we have. So we have just done 4 worksheets. All right, let's go check them out. Oh, nope. That's not what I want you guys to see. All right, hold on. It's playing it as a video. I don't know why, but this is what I want you to see right here. I figure that out later. Okay, figure that out later. So we on the letter G. All right, and then I'm just gonna hit this here, and this is the next page. Okay, everything looks pretty good. Make sure everything looks good. Yeah, everything looks good. And then the next page. And then the next page. So there you go. That's all you need to do is you make turns nothing into something. You made a quick little selection, a group of a few pages or whatever of pages of worksheets. And you can use that. And if you have the skills or whether you don't have the skills, this should be easy for you to do. If you're a homeschooling mom or you're a parent or a teacher or whatever, you can do this and make your own worksheets and just print them off or download it and use it. Now, I'm going to do this for the whole book, all of the alphabets, 26 letters or whatever, however many there are. But that's what I'm going to use it for. And I'm gonna use it for my babies. And that's all we gotta do. That's all you gotta do. So that's it. That's all I got for y'all. And I come back, and when I do come back, I will show you how to make a cover to this. My 7-month-old is waking up, so I gotta go. So thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.